Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a random loot spawner. So basically, it will be a system where you can just input any data. That means you can just link any asset or an actor class, and it will just spawn that whenever the match starts. So this way, you can make a randomly generated loot. It is used in games like Valorant and PUBG, Free Fire, if you have played those. So let's go and create a blueprint class. It should be of an actor type, item loot. Then it should have a collision. That would be a box collision and a static mesh. Now, this static mesh would be the reference of the item that has to be generated. So let's do one thing. Take this item loot, put this here, and put this here. Oops. Yeah. Put this here, put this here, and put that here. So we have now 4 item spawners on the map. Let's open it. Now what we need to do on event begin play, we have to make a system where it only generates 50% of the time. So let's check random integer in range 0 and 1. And if it is equal to 1, we will spawn the item. So it's just a basic random system. You can make it a more complex or a better random system, but that just depends upon you. It's just a small random thing. Now if this is true, that means we need to spawn something. So we need to get this set static mesh. Now we need to pass this new mesh value. So copy this up here. And now you need to tell how many meshes you have, like how many actors you have for selection. We only have 2. That means we will use this one as a example and this one as an example. So we will have 2 actors, and so just make it select and pass the index as this value. So for the first one, let's go and check the location of this box, go back to the item loot and press this. For the second one, we will have this type of cube. So now we have 2 options. So a basic random system is ready. Let's play and check. Now we have a cube, but no, we don't have a cube. Let's do, oh, because they all are under the ground. So they would have gone under the ground. That's why. Yeah, you can see we have 2 cubes. Now if I stop and replay, you see we have 1 single cube. Same way again, you see we again have just 1 single cube. So it's just random and only 50% of them are generating this cube, as you can see. So the system works. But what if you want to have a in editor preview? That means you are in the editor and you still want to see what's happening. So let's remove event begin play, make a custom node, name this spawn item, like this. Go to construction script and search for spawn item, compile and save. So you see we have this, but if we little bit touch it, this will regenerate. Because this construction script is always running, every time you compile it will again run. You can see now we have this, we again compile, it will again run. You now have 2 of these, so every time you compile it will run. But that doesn't mean it won't change when you play. Whenever you play, it will change for sure. Oh, they are not changing because we have not called that on event begin play. Let's just do that again. spawn item, compile and save. This will give you a good amount of, yeah. So this gave us, oh, nice. We have all four in our turn. So that is it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.